Hi, Dave from Fine and Country here. Today I'm going to talk about selling a premium luxury or rural property and how you should market it to get the most interest. Giving buyers a chance to view virtually increases your chance of securing buyers from further afield and keeps everybody safe during the lockdowns. One thing for me that's absolutely vital with selling this type of property is a detailed floor plan with lots of measurements on there, good layout and square footage or square meterage. People buying this type of property are really driven by the size, and a lot of them know what size properties they want. The next thing is lots of professional photos. You're selling a premium luxury property, you have to showcase it in the best possible way. Even in this digital day and age, buyers are still interested in seeing sales particulars. Now, you can either send them a 2-3 page set of details on paper, or selling a luxury property, let's give them some luxury details. Here is an example of a 24-page full colour brochure in a digital version, and also hard copies get posted to buyers too. Now, absolutely vital for me when selling a luxury, premium or rural property is a video. With many people not viewing properties at the moment because of lockdown, giving them the opportunity to watch a movie of your home is absolutely vital to securing as many potential buyers as possible. A movie can really showcase the home, show its style, layout, and especially when you incorporate drone videos, you can show the size of the plot, the land and the surroundings. An absolute must. If you're selling a property currently in the luxury market and you haven't got a video, you really should get one organised as soon as possible. It's vital. What can also really enhance the opportunity of selling is to have a different type of video called a 3D tour. This is using Matterport technology, and what this allows is for a buyer to click their way around your home themselves in their own time, so feeling like they're actually there viewing the property, having a walkthrough. They can check out all of the rooms, they can go back and forth into a room again if they really like it. You'll see from this demonstration here, they can walk right into the room, they can go to the side and turn around as if they were physically there viewing. This is a great way of doing a virtual viewing at a property. And what's amazing with this tool, you'll see now, people can actually take measurements. So let's say this person was going to buy your property and they didn't want to keep coming back to take measurements of things after they were secured the property and an offer. They could literally measure, okay, what size curtains do we need here in this room? Okay, we'll measure the curtain pole there and we'll measure the drop from the pole to the floor. There's the measurements we need for curtains. Absolutely fantastic. And by doing this, you're giving people the opportunity of either the movie type video or one of these virtual tour videos. Absolutely fantastic, covering all bases. A lot of people I'm doing physical viewings with at the moment have actually used a virtual tour on a property numerous times before they come to see it. If you're thinking of buying or selling a premium luxury or rural property, my details are on the screen now. Please get in touch.